विपक्षी एकता की मीटिंग के बाद इस वक्त कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे क्या बोल रहे हैं, सुनते हैं।
That is Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. That is INDIL, and this is Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. So everybody agreed for this, and unanimously this name is given, and everybody is happy with this name. So I thank you very much them, because I'm the host state, and it is a great achievement for us that all 26 parties together, they solved many problems of the country. This is second. And third is 11-member coordination committee will be set up. That we will decide shortly, and we are going to meet again in Maharashtra, Mumbai. There we will discuss the names of the coordinators, and 11-member name will be announced there. And the date will also be announced shortly for Mumbai, this meeting. Fourthly, this one secretariat will be set up for campaign management, and other committees on a specific issue will be set up mostly in Delhi, because Delhi is a capital place, and it will be convenient for everybody. Fifth is a joint statement after today's meeting was approved, and this is being circulated, just I told earlier, and our friends will circulate to you. Sixth is a next meeting will be held in Bombay, I told, and really I am thankful to all the leaders, those who have come from various parties here, 26 parties. They gave very good suggestions, and particularly today's situation that the BJP government wants to destroy the democracy in this country, and also they want to destroy the constitution. They are using the autonomous bodies like CBI and ED, vigilance, all such institutions they are using against opposition party leaders and their workers. Therefore, there is a grave situation. To save this situation, we have come together, and country is important for us. Though we have got some differences in each state politically, but that is, we have kept that behind, not front. The front is only to how to save the country and people of this country.
तो अलग अलग राज्यों में हमारे